Clucky's gonna be flying high pretty soon. Yeah. It's game time. Rise and grind, bro. Rise and grind. Look, he's already flapping his wings. Might be cold. All it is just, you just gotta sing a little Michael Jackson tune. A Shimon. Yeah! Yeah!
Ow, Jax.
I just think I scare him, but gotta get that heart rate going. At least it's going in your belly. Oh, I don't want to scare you anymore. Okay. Oh, it tastes good though. You're licking your lips and just precious baby birds licking his lips. There you go. No? Alright, I'll just save it. Okay, jeez. That scares the crap out of me, man. Oh, yeah, that's a tasty. We're gonna need more food. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. This will go CBs. Yeah.
There's his eyeballs. Good boy, good girl.
What do we got here, love? A birdie that made it through the night?
Yeah!
Birdie that made it through the night.
We barely did. Loves you.
Caw. Hi, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got a birdie in the birdie. I know, I don't love you.
It's right here.
Oh, there's a birdie, baby. Caw. Hey. Come on. Caw. Yeah. All right. Delicious. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Good night. Are you sad?
Yeah.
It's okay.
I'm happy for him.
Wildlife rescue. You did good, buddy. You did good.
You stay alive.